Good morning, guys. Dexter Woody Central Pressure Washing. We are in Clermont, Florida today for a driveway cleaning and a partial house wash. The partial being just the front of the house. Just the front, it's two-story. Take a look here. We're sitting under an oak tree. So our driveway has all kind of tanning stains. It has some green algae on it. We're going to take care of that with a 1% for the pre-treatment. And we will go a little hotter for the post-treatment. Upstairs right there, you see we have some green. We have green algae on the window sills up there. We have a little buildup on our facial and drip edge here. Here's our walkway. We're gonna treat it as well. We're gonna get that green from over there. And up on the top of our facials right there, our facial drip edge and stuff, we have green algae and mold buildup. So we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna start off this morning, gonna wet up this vegetation. Just to be on the safe side, we're getting to some really hot temperatures here as of late. So we're gonna wet up the vegetation and then we'll start with a pre-treatment of the front of the house. We'll give that dwell time. Then we'll pre-treat the driveway, surface clean it, then rinse the house off. Stay tuned. Mo Flo tagging it. That Mo Flo is tagging it. We already know all the systems can tag that little hype right there, but anyway, we're on the Mo Flo today. So we're gonna give it its praises. Okay, we got a green spot back there that we want to hit. Get it treated. Okay, get more of this angle. We gotta have a firm grip with the Mo Flo when it takes off and go to spraying. It has a lot of PSIs. Adjustment. I'm having to make adjustment with my hand grip for this one. This is the first little partial house wash or anything we did with the Mo Flo. We put it on the truck last week. Keep up there. Mo Flo in it. Woo-wee. You got to hold the Mo Flo. I need to cut the throttle down or something. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't take you up in there because I'll get you wet. I'm gonna go up in there and get these walls so we can treat for these mud daubers. treatment down here. This is a 1.5% mix, guys. 1.5%. We have a lot of build up on this driveway here because of the oak tree, and it's probably been more than a year, 2 years since it's been done. So put down this 1.5. We're gonna give it some dwell time, at least 10 minutes, maybe more, because we know we're gonna have to put a heavy post treatment down here. No way of getting around it. The Mo Flo definitely takes some getting used to. All right, we're gonna get us some dwell time. We'll be back. Mo Flo.
Okay, here we are in rinse mode with the Mo Flo. We are running the Mo Flo soft wash system from Leon John. We have taken off the P40. It's in the garage at home, and we're trying out this Mo Flo system. We also upgraded the pressure washer to 12 gallons a minute to give us a little bit more flow for the mini Mondu to help us get on and off these driveways a little faster. So we're checking it out and trying to get a handle on it. The Mo Flo has more PSI, and it's gonna show because it's gonna blow the gun off the hose. But once I finished this job, I had some hose I had ordered last week, which is the 1/2-inch hose with the crimper ends on it, so we can screw this gun down so it won't blow off. That was a little scary. Luckily, I was in rinse mode when it happened, so I didn't get burnt with any bleach, but I did get a little cut to my hand. Okay, inside here, we're blowing off that window behind us, a big bush right there, and we had treated that off camera with a pump sprayer because the algae was orange. So we treated that and got the algae cleared up, and we're just rinsing down right here. Gonna move the camera over, gonna shoot the top peak of this home right here, and the Mo Flo can tag this with a lot of slap at all angles on this house, and I like that, but I just got to get used to how the power comes in, and the throttle. I gotta find a happy spot with the throttle with the Mo Flo so that we don't have too much of PSI for washing homes and things of that nature, because you don't need that much. But for the bigger jobs that we do, this is going to come in really, really handy. We have a big house wash coming up, meaning when I say big house wash, we have a house wash coming up that's going to be around 10,000 square feet, whatever you want to call it. But it's a big home. We're going to be washing up here this week. I will get a little bit of footage, not much, because there's a lot going on at the location. So we're going to get a little coverage of that. Like I said, not much, but we will get some, showing some of the larger jobs that we do, some of the larger properties that we do, and steps that we take. Well, we'll see how many steps we'll be able to show you. Anyway, we're in rinse mode with the Mo Flo, taking down this algae on there. Next, we're going to be on the driveway with the mini Mondu, and this driveway is lifted over on the other side by that oak tree, so I got to pick up on the Mondu because the oak tree root is under the concrete and it has pushed it up probably 2.5 inches. So it's a lifted driveway. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're getting ready to surface clean, and they're going to show you some tanning stains that's left over after surface cleaning and a rinse off. And we're going to off camera put a hot mix 9% on those tanning stains to help fade them down. And we'll show you that in the wrap up. Stay tuned.
The Mo Flo definitely will need. I got my hose coming in today. Was gonna be able to connect. It's gonna be what do you call that when it is crimped? I have crimped ends. You see the Mo Flo just blow this out of there. Hey, how's it going? So we had to take this to the truck to fix it. Should have snugged it. I double clamped it, but anyway, we have new hose coming today. Okay, so we have tanning stains galore. Tanning stains everywhere because we're under an oak tree. We're gonna make a hot mix and treat that up, and I'll come back and show you the results. Okay guys, Dexter with Essential Pressure Washing here, Clermont, Florida. We are completed with this driveway. Just put a post treatment down. It's still drying. Here are the results. Under an oak tree, so it's shaded. It'll take a while to dry. So we came here for a partial house wash. So we washed the front of the house, removing algae, green algae on the facial edges. We cleaned the driveway, walkway, front entrance area. Okay, so that's complete. We're on to the next adventure.